Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install a supermarket MLO into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the MLO which you are going to install into FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. You just need to click on this GitHub link. Then click on code and download the MLO. After downloading it, we just need to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. Now rename the file and remove the main from the name. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now, and over here you can see this is the supermarket MLO which we just installed over here. So we just need to make one more changes, which is in our QBCore script. We have to change the location of the pad from here to here. In this area, that will fix the location of the pad. So yes, this is the shop over here, as you can see. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.